everyone, and welcome back to ZEGAMI Beauty. I'm Krisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally going to open this gargantuan pile of Sephora packages that have been accumulating and collecting dust on my dining room table since mid-June. I told myself at some point in July I need to just kind of, film a quick Sephora haul, and then I just kept pushing it back, and then this happened where it's been 2 months of Sephora orders. So I don't even know half of what's in there. I'm so excited to finally rip into them. But before we do that, of course, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell as well if you want to get notified when I upload, which is twice a week. So again, pushing that button lets you know when I do upload, and that helps me a lot as well. And then I'm also on Instagram at ZEGAMI Beauty. If you like beauty content and you're on Instagram, I invite you there too. Okay, let's just get into this opening right now. I can't wait. Oh my god. Keep fixing my shirt, just like full exposure here. Okay. Okay, this one I do remember. This got really destroyed. Skin Feels Good foundation. This one on, I think, a 30% or 40% off sale on Canada Day. And it's my color 025W, and this has been my foundation and skin tint or base of choice this summer. Love it. And then we have something from Fenty Beauty. This is from last year's summer collection. Again, this went on clearance on Canada Day. I think it's just like a double highlighter. Very interesting colors that I think I'm going to use more on my eyes. One color is 7 Day Weekend and the other one is Poolside. Really pretty. You get like a periwinkle blue, and then you get sort of a violet shimmer color. Absolutely love it. Packaging is gorgeous as usual. And I can't wait to use this on my eyes. I think this will be really pretty, and I'm glad I finally opened it, although this I should have been wearing pretty much the last month and a half, but that's okay. And then, sample Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't have this one, I have the Magic Foundation, and I love it. So I'm hoping that this particular one is good too, because I've been on a really huge Charlotte Tilbury kick lately, and I'm really excited to try that. And then some Brazilian Bum Bum, I think it's Boom Boom shampoo and conditioner, which I was really hoping to try as well. Okay, next up. Okay, so this I need to do a review very soon. It is the new mascara from Pat McGrath called Dark Star Mascara. I'm really curious about this one because the Marc Jacobs At Lash is my all-time favorite mascara to date. Like all the mascaras I've tried, which is pretty consistently anything that comes out, I just absolutely love that one more than anything. This one here, Natural Bristle, and it kind of looks like the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. It kind of has that hourglass shape, and it looks really waxy already. Like it looks kind of like a thicker formula, drier formula, which I'm not usually a fan of. So we'll see. Packaging is luxe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to do a comparison video testing it against my Marc Jacobs At Lash, which just, I don't know, it just has my heart, you guys. Okay. Oh yeah, this was fun. So this was a Sephora Favorites Lip Kit. Comes with 2 full sizes, the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It comes with the full size also Orgasm Lip Shine, a Juicy 2, the Patrick Ta lip gloss, and then the Too Faced lip injection. This looks really interesting. I can't wait to try those, and it was a really good deal. I think it was, well, the price says right on there, $38 Canadian for 2 full size, higher end products. So very impressive there. I couldn't resist that. And then we get some more samples. Becca Ignite. This is a liquid highlighter that came out not too long ago. So I'm curious to try that. And some Boom Boom shower cream. So that looks fun. Okay, moving right along. This one I kind of semi-opened probably when it first came in, then I'm like, oh man, no, I can't because I need to record this. So yeah. So let's dig into it. Ooh, another one. See, I don't remember doing this. So another Fenty Kilowatt highlighter. I know these were basically on clearance for Canada Day. It's exciting. This one is in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Again, last year's summer collection for that brand. Same kind of honeycomb packaging, and then those are the colors there. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like a marigold color, which again, I'm going to use these for my eyes. I might use the pinky color maybe for my cheeks. I just felt like these colors were so unique and so perfect for summertime, so tropical and fresh. So We'll see, but I'm thinking more so on my eyes with both of these palettes. And then another sample in here as well, or like a deluxe gift. Black Tea Firming Eye Serum. I love getting these little eye serums or eye creams to try. I feel like eye creams are so expensive for such a small amount, like usually 15 grams, right? And a lot of these deluxe samples are 3 to 5 grams, which is usually a good deal. All right, I love samples. I love anything beauty, like really, samples, deluxe gifts. I just, you know, it's a weakness. What are we gonna do? Okay, next. Oh, yes, I'm so excited for this, you guys. So this finally came back in stock, and I think it's out of stock again. Oh my god, there's like dust flying everywhere. I told you these things were gathering dust on my table. Okay, anyways, this came back in stock. It's the Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. I got the medium during the VIB sale in the springtime because the light sold out like instantly and hasn't been back in stock since I think April. I finally saw it available. I snatched it up. Later that night, it was already gone again. So I am so happy I got this. The medium's okay, but it's quite dark on me and I haven't been wearing it at all. I might have to give it away or something. I don't know, we'll see. This one here looked really, really promising and almost just sort of like a bronzer topper. So that same sort of green packaging. And then it looks quite light. Let's just see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm really, really excited for that one. Okay, and then anything interesting in here? I think a Nude Sticks Luminous Eye Color. This was a deluxe gift with purchase. You spend over a certain amount, which I really, really love that Sephora does that. Okay, moving along. Dun, dun, dun. This is so fun. This is really making my day. I was actually editing a video this morning and it was just so bad. Like, I don't know. I had my kind of like box light in the view of my mirror, and then I was videotaping, like it was shifted, so I was taping more of like my doors than the view that I wanted. It was just so bad. Like, what was I on during that videotaping? Like, it was bad. So I haven't ever had to delete a video or just like kibosh a video before. Like, I've been able to sort of really, you know, edit it and be fine, but that was just so bad I had to completely delete it. So this is making my day to film this because I do want to put out another video this week. So yes. Okay, this has been all over YouTube and I had to get on the bandwagon because it looked so gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous, and I got this because of the packaging. It is what it is. So hopefully the color's right. I know there's issues with the Gucci bronzer when it comes to the colors, and of course we can't see these in store. Even if we could see them, we can't swatch them. So it was a total just guess on my part. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, what? This is so beautiful. The color, the gold, the back has this just like embossing on it, kind of like Art Deco-y sunshine. I don't know. Oh wow, it is so beautiful. I guess it comes with a brush as well. I'll do a full review on this one and I'll compare it to maybe some other bronzers that came out this year. So I'm definitely going to do that for you guys. This is in the shade 03. We'll see, but wow, this is beautiful. This is literally taking my breath away. Okay, oh my god, this haul is just so fun. I don't want it to end. And then I got a sample serum, double serum. I used to use that double serum in the past, so I'm kind of excited to retry it and see if I like it. I know they kind of changed a few ingredients in that. I think they added some turmeric in there and some other stuff. Anyways, babble babble, let's move along. Oh, the dust is from this, it's the packaging. Okay, next. Oh yes, so I just did a video and I just posted it recently about the Fenty Cheeks Out cream blush, and I had to get another color, and I got the really, really violet-y color, which kind of looked interesting to me. And I think it would be a beautiful undertone, and then if you put something else on top, just kind of give it like a little bit of a cool toned undertone dimension. We'll see. It looks straight up purple, you guys. I'm really curious. I have nothing like this, and it looked pretty in the promo pics. We shall see. I'm really, really excited to play with that. And the formula is really, really good, so I'll definitely link the video of me reviewing and trying on a different color, Petal Poppin', I think. Okay, last box. Last box. This went on clearance and I forgot I bought this. This is the Tropic Palette. I totally forgot I got this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. This is... But like summer has come and gone and I haven't worn this. Wow, I'm a winner. Okay, so nothing new. This came out probably 2 years ago now, I think. Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. It's limited edition. I think you might still get on her website, maybe at Beautylish. Sephora, I think, is finally sold out now, and they were clearing it out. And ta-da! Again, nothing new. This has been around YouTube, reviewed to death, and that's fine. This was to get just for myself. I'll still do some looks probably for a video because I just think it's such a beautiful palette. Yeah, so I'll definitely do some looks and at least one look in a tutorial and show you guys how it performs and how I like it. Again, it's nothing crazy new, so I know it's not like super interesting, but I'm just so happy. I'm so happy I got this. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I need to take some photos for Instagram before I swatch it, so I'm not gonna do any swatches right now. I'll put that right there, and yeah, that is it. So, oh, and some samples, nothing crazy, some fragrances. Oh, Sauvage. I'll give that to my hubby, which he probably won't wear because he just likes two of his fragrances and he's loyal to them. And Vanille Coco from Sud Pacifique. So we'll see. I love fragrances. We'll try those out too. Otherwise, that is it. That was so much fun, you guys. My mood has just increased so much because I have some summer makeup I can play with. I'm excited. Thank you for joining me. It was really, really fun filming this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was a little bit of a break for you guys just to kind of watch something fun, makeup related. I'll talk to you guys really, really soon. I'll be filming more videos for next week, and all the best. Bye.